Welcome to Voice Coach with Well Said Studio. In this lesson, we'll guide you through creating your first clip using the studio. Let's get started. First, create a new project. Give your project a name and enter a client name if you want. In the drop-down, select the current version of Studio or explore our latest features in the future version. Select the voice avatar from our voice library. For our script, let's try Patrick K. We can audition other voices later. Click inside the text editor. You can either tag your script here or copy and paste it from your source material. Once ready, click Create to generate your first take. Last, click the play button to hear your words brought to life.
Welcome to our first-time home buyer video series, where dreams of owning your own home become a reality. Today, we'll guide you through the exciting journey of buying your first home.
If you like what you hear, rename your clip and click the download button. If you need to make adjustments, edit the text and give it another take. Delete any unwanted clips to free up your clip storage. With Well Said, you can create professional voiceovers in seconds and make any last-minute script changes. Keep learning and keep creating.